Good morning, preschoolers. I hope you all had a great weekend, and we are going to go ahead and get started with circle time. Does anybody remember what our month is? It starts with an M, then has an A, R, C, H. Our month is March. Got lots of days to count, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. What's the next number? 23. And what two numbers make up the 23? Let's think. What two numbers do you see? A 2 and a 3. Great job, everybody. Today is Monday. What does that start with? Monday. An M, just like our March. Monday, March 23rd. Let's go ahead and sing our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Hay 7 días, hay 7 días, hay 7 días en la semana. Next thing that we have to do is behind me. So we move this way. Got our panda. And we have to get our panda ready for the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy out today? What is the weather out there? Take a peek. Look out your window. If I look out my window, and you look up at the sky, I see lots of clouds. It is very cloudy outside. And also, what is on the ground? What did we get last night? It's white, it's fluffy, and it's cold. We got snow. So we'll put that on our panda. And how does it feel? If it's cloudy, there's no sun. And if there's snow on the ground, it is cold. Last thing, if it's cold outside, what do you need to put on and zip up so you can stay warm? A jacket. Okay. Today, we are going to be reading a book called Road Signs. What is a road sign that comes to mind? When you think of the road, you're driving down the road with your mom or your dad, what is a sign that you see? A stop sign? A traffic sign? What else? Maybe a speed limit sign to say how fast you can go. Then there's numbers on that one. So we're going to go ahead and read our road signs book and see what happens. Okay. It says, one windy spring day, Hare challenged Tortoise to a race. Hare was sure that he would win, but would he? Which one's the hare? And which one's the tortoise? You're right. Hare is another word for rabbit or bunny, and tortoise is another word for turtle. Over here it says, read the signs as you follow the race. What does this one say? Start. So that's where they're going to start. There are signs that say, tortoise have cute knees, go hare, go tortoise, go hare, and over here it says pavement ends. So the black pavement is going to turn into dirt. This one says bump, 35 miles per hour, dip, falling rocks. Who's in first place? Hare. Soft shoulder, slippery when wet, steep hill, pass with care, flood area. Oh no, look at his face. How does he feel? Sad, I agree. Because he didn't read the sign and now he's all wet. Road closed ahead. Oh, and look at Tortoise's face. He looks scared. And up here it says slow and Hare's still running. Danger! Bridge closed! What's Hare flying in? A hot air balloon. And what's Tortoise doing? Swimming through the water. Detour, slow down. Road construction. Rest area. Road work ahead. They're going 2 different ways now. Keep left. Over here it says road machinery ahead, 10 miles per hour. Construction end. Rest area ahead. Rest area entrance, 50 miles per hour. Wow, that's fast. And there goes Tortoise. He's already leaving. What's the bunny doing in this picture? Going to the bathroom and getting ice cream. And Tortoise is still traveling. What's he doing here? Taking a nap during the race. How silly. Tunnel, turn on lights. And what does Tortoise have on his head? A light. Do not stop on tracks. Railroad crossing. What's that sign mean? Stop. School zone ahead. Finish line. And look who is in first place. The end. And here are all of our signs. When we are driving on the road, we have to follow this road signs, whether it's the stop sign or a sign that shows that there's a curve in the road. Maybe your mom or dad slowed down in their car. So all of our cars that drive on the road, whether it's your minivan or your car or your truck, we all have to follow the ways of the road. And so do my different cars that I have back here on my magnetic board. For you. My first magnetic car I already have built. What color is this one? Blue. And in here, it's kind of hard to see, but it says police vehicle. So our police officers have to follow the ways of the road. We're going to go ahead and start building the rest of my cars that I have up here. So I'm going to need your help. Up here, what color is this car? What color is that one? Yellow. So looking down here on the bottom, we need to look for yellow pieces to build our taxi. And a taxi helps transport people to different places. And one more. Okay. Now how about this one? What color is this one? White. And what is that symbol? Do we know? Starts with an A, and there's lights on it. Sometimes this car has sirens when it drives down the road. This is an ambulance. Where are some white pieces? Do you see any? Look towards the bottom. There's a white front of the vehicle there. Another white piece. And last one, we're looking for a white wheel. Right there. Let's move on to this one. What color is this one? Green. Let's find our green pieces. Got a green piece right here. The front of the truck. This truck's also gray. So we're going to look for 2 gray pieces. Here's one. And there's one more. This is a cargo truck. Sometimes people might call that a semi or a semi-truck. And why do you think that one has 3 wheels on it instead of just 2? What do semis carry? They carry lots of items and very heavy items as well. So there's 3 wheels to carry everything in the back of that truck. We have 2 more that we've got to do down here. This one is a yellow, kind of orange color. Where's the front of that one? Right there. And the front wheel. Last part, the back of it. This one is a dump truck. You might see that at a construction site. And our very last car that we have to build is red. And what is that one? See the ladder? It's a fire truck. So those are all 6 of my examples of cars that have to follow the ways of the road. One thing that we kind of talked about is this. What is this? It's a stoplight. And at the stoplight, there are 3 different colors. There is red, yellow, and green. What does red mean? If you said stop, you are right. What does yellow mean? Slow, so you have to slow down if you get to a yellow light. Last color at the bottom, green, means go. So if you're driving, you're going through that intersection during the green light. A fun game that I think you guys should play at home today, maybe in your house or outside, is red light, green light. For this game, all of your siblings, your friends, family, whoever's at your house can line up on one side and then have one family member be the traffic light. And when they say green, what are you going to do? Run as fast as you can. If they say yellow light, then what should you do? Slow down. And when they say red, stop. Then you can't move. And once you get all the way to the person who's being the traffic light, then you guys can do it again. I hope you enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.